So, have you ever tried promoting your business through WhatsApp and suddenly your number got restricted? Many businesses face this issue when they attempt bulk messaging the wrong way. In this video, I'll explain you a safer and a completely legal approach to send bulk WhatsApp messages without putting your account at risk. So, as you know, WhatsApp is one of the fastest ways to reach the customers. Businesses use it for announcement, offers, customer support, and important updates. But the platform also has some strict rules to prevent spam. If those rules are ignored, your account can easily get limited or banned. The truth is that most WhatsApp bans are not random. They usually happen when accounts show activities that look like spam. This often happens when businesses use shortcuts instead of the proper system designed for large-scale messaging. One common mistake is using the unverified automation tool that promised to send thousands of messages instantly but doesn't. The most common mistake is using unverified automation tools that promise to send thousands of messages instantly. These tools often operate outside the WhatsApp's official infrastructure. Because of that, the platform security system can detect or restrict the number involved. Another issue is messaging people who never agreed to receive the updates. When unexpected WhatsApp messages appear, what do? You tend to block or report it as a spam. And too many reports signal to WhatsApp that the account might be spamming users. And the major problem is some people treat WhatsApp as email campaigns. They try to run large campaigns from regular WhatsApp accounts. However, personal accounts are designed for everyday conversation, not mass communication with the customers. So make sure that you are using a business account. So instead of using shortcuts, you should try and rely on the platforms that connect directly with the official WhatsApp business system. These services allows companies to send updates, notifications, marketing messages while staying within the platform guidelines. Legally, you can do this. With this approach, businesses first collect the customer consent, then use a verified business number and approved messaging platform to distribute the updates. This keeps the communication organized and significantly reduce the chance of account restrictions. So the key to safe WhatsApp marketing is simple. Follow the official process, communicate with only the interested customers, avoid the tools that promise unrealistic automations. When used properly, WhatsApp can become one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience. And in this video, I will show you an official WhatsApp business API provider, an automation tool who is going to send bulk WhatsApp messages and without getting banned or blocked or getting your number restricted. You just have to follow me. What you have to do, open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Cloud API. And yes, this is the tool using which you can send bulk WhatsApp messages without getting banned or blocked. And you know what is the best thing right now? That Pabbly Chatflow is offering a free trial. So you can try it first, and then if you find this helpful for you, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. So first of all, if you are a new user and want to get a free trial, you can click on this sign up for free button and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. No credit cards required. You just have to enter basic details and it will be signed up. And further, once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like Pabbly Chatflow, you can purchase the subscription plan, and for that also we have a special discount coupon code just for you. So this discount coupon code is attached right over here, which is RITYT. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But first try it. If you find it helpful, then you can do this. Okay, so now what you have to do, first of all, log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and come on the dashboard of the Pabbly Chatflow account. Once you're on the dashboard, you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. In order to add your WhatsApp number, what you have to do, you first of all have to refer to a video which is attached in the description box below. Otherwise, if you don't want to do this, you just have to go on this add WhatsApp number. The button will appear right over here. If you want a complete tutorial, it is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. I have already added my WhatsApp number. So let's move on further and send these bulk messages. Okay, so in order to send these bulk messages, we are going to use the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. So from the left end of the side, go on this broadcast feature and click on this add broadcast button. Once you do this, it is asking for the broadcast type. So select it as broadcast campaign. For the name, enter the name. So I am going to keep the name as WhatsApp automation workshop. Now it is asking me to select the contact list. So over here, first of all, you must be wondering how can we create a contact list. So from the left end of the side, go on this contact section. Once you are on this contact section, you have to click on this add contact button. If you want, you can definitely add the contact one by one, but if you want to import the bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts and upload a CSV file. How can you get this CSV file? So what you have to do, open a Google Sheets, add the details of all your contacts you want to upload in Pabbly Chatflow in this Google Sheets, then go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format. After you download this in CSV format, go back towards your Pabbly Chatflow account, contact section, and simply upload the same CSV file. What you have to do, go on this upload from media library, click on this add new file, drag and drop the file, then simply drag and drop the file right from here. So as you can see that this is the CSV file, so I am going to upload this. Click on this upload files, and once this file is uploaded, I am going to click on this file and then insert. Now you're going to see that it has successfully entered it right over here. Once this is entered, you can click on this add contact button, and then automatically all the contacts in this CSV file will be added right over here as new contacts in Pabbly Chatflow. Like this, you can upload bulk contacts. I have already created a sample list over here. So this has only 5 contacts right now, but you can add multiple more too. It totally depends upon you. This is just for the test. So I am going to select the same contact list over here. You can select multiple contact list too, like this. If you want, you can select a single or multiple contact list. It totally depends upon you. After this, it is asking me to select the message type, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to go for a regular message, go on this regular message and then simply enter the message over here, and then you can send this message to multiple contacts at once. But if you want to go for the template message, you have to create a template first. So once again, from the left end of the side, go on this templates and the template list section of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here you have to click on this add template button, and then you have to create a template. You can also generate this template using AI from here. Okay, once this template is created, you have to wait till this template gets approved. Usually it takes a day or few, and then the template gets approved. Then what you can do is you can go on this pre-approved template message section and select the WhatsApp template right over here. If you want to learn about this template section in detail, a video tutorial for the same is also attached in the description box below. Same goes for the contact section. Once you select the template, it is saying body field 1. So what is this? So in front of this hello, you can see that there's 1 in curly brackets. So this one is a variable over here, and this one is going to be replaced with the name of the one to whom I want to send this automated WhatsApp message to. Okay, so what I want is that this one should remain dynamic and change with every new contact information. Okay, so for that we have to enter this one as dynamic, and over here in the description it is clearly mentioning that use dynamic values with the dollar symbol, example $name, $first name, to replace the placeholders like 1, 2, for example, hi one becomes high dollar name. Okay, so we do have to do the same. Just copy this dollar name and paste it right over here. But I'll also let you know this in detail. So from the left hand of the side, go on this settings, and then you have to go towards this contact custom fields. Once you're on this contact custom fields, you're going to see that I have multiple contact custom fields. These 4 are universal, so these will be in your account if you have created a new account right now, then too. Over here you're going to see that this field name is name. If you copy this and paste it right over here, this will be exactly the same, which is dollar name. So if you don't want to enter it manually, you can simply copy it right from here too. After this, you have to click on this done, and this template message is set. Now what you have to do, enter the username and the mobile number. So if you want to test this broadcast, you can simply enter the username and then the mobile number to test this broadcast by clicking on this send test message. And as you can see, an automated WhatsApp message is received. So yes, we have successfully tested this broadcast. Now let's move on further. Now it is saying schedule broadcast. So you have 2 options: schedule the broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you want to send this broadcast instantly, you can click on this no send instantly and then add broadcast. If you want to schedule it for later, click on this yes schedule for later, go on this calendar and select the date and time. I am going to schedule this broadcast for 15th of March 1 p.m. So as you can see, it is selected. Now just click on this add broadcast button. Make sure that you add a future date only in the scheduled broadcast, because if you add the past date, it will be sent instantly. Okay, so now you're going to see that this broadcast is scheduled for 15th of March 1 p.m. and once this broadcast is going to run, then further we can view the stats of the same: how many were sent, delivered, read or failed. And further, if you want to resend the broadcast for the failed, so let's say this is a failed campaign, and if you want to resend the broadcast for failed campaigns, you can do over here resend broadcast for failed contacts via failed status using the resend button. You can go on this and click on this validate fail and click on this resend button, and automatically this broadcast will be resent to all the ones who are in the failed section. So yes, like this you can send automated WhatsApp messages without getting banned. You can send bulk WhatsApp messages without getting banned, and this is a very useful automation because right now many businesses use WhatsApp as their main communication channel or trying converting leads into clients using WhatsApp only. So go and try this amazing automation, because right now, as I already told you, we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.